Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello everyone. So now let's start our exercise of chapter number 2, creating tables in MS Access. So before starting our textual exercise, let's revise some point. Each table should always have a primary key. Second, Access automatically creates a primary key for you and assigns it a field name of ID and the auto number data type. Number 3, a foreign key simply stated is another table's primary key. A relationship is how you tell the program that a piece of information means the same thing in more than one table. Relationships are created using a primary key from one table and linking it to the relative field in the another table called foreign key. Sorting is probably the simplest way to look at data together in an organized manner. When you filter by field, Access 2007 finds all the values that have been entered in the specified field. So now let's begin with our textual exercise. Exercise A, take the correct answer. What are the different views to display a table? A, data sheet view, B, design view, C, pivot table and pivot chart view, D, all of these. So the answer is D, all of this. Number 2, which key uniquely identifies each record? A, primary key, B, key record, C, unique key, D, field name. So the answer is A, primary key. Number 3, it is an association established between the common fields. A, line, B, relationship, C, primary key, D, records. So the answer is B, relationship. Which one of these functions display the records in a table to those matching a particular criterion? A, filtering, B, sorting, C, shifting, D, restricting. So the answer is A, filtering. Which one of the following features sorts data in an ascending order on text value? A, small to largest, B, largest to small, C, A to Z, D, Z to A. So our answer is C, A to Z. Exercise B, give answer in one word. Number 1, it allows to view all records in the table view. Answer is filter. Number 2, it gives a unique identification to a table. Answer is primary key. Number 3, this key cannot reliably identify a particular record. Answer is foreign key. 4, this feature sorts data in ascending order or descending order. Answer is sorting. 5th, this feature finds all the values that have been entered in the specified field. Answer is filtering. Exercise C, answer the following questions. Number 1, what are the 3 methods in which we can create the tables? Answer, the tables can be created using the following ways. A, design view, B, through wizard, 3, entering data. Number 2, what is a primary key? The primary key is a key which is used to identify each key uniquely. It helps to speed up queries and other operations. Number 3, define a foreign key. Foreign key The foreign key is the primary key of another table on which relation is to be set. The value in a foreign key field match values in the primary key, indicating that two records are related. Number 4. What do you mean by sorting data? Write the ways to sort data. Sorting is the way to arrange the data in an orderly manner, either in ascending or descending order. Steps: open the table with all the records. Right click on the field you wish to sort. A menu appears. Select the option A to Z, Z to A for text field, and largest to smallest or smallest to largest for numeric data. Number 5. What is filtering? Filtering, it is a useful tool to see only a specific record that match the criteria given in the form of query.